Hello everyone. Welcome to GK Quest. In this video we look into science-related MCQs. Topic of video is basic physics questions. Let's get started. 1. What is the unit of force in the International System of Units? C. A. Joule. B. Newton. C. Pascal. D. Watt. And the right answer is 2. Which law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction? A. Newton's first law. B. Newton's second law. C. Newton's third law. D. Law of conservation of energy. And the right answer is 3. What is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth? A. 9.8 meter per second. B. 10 meter per second. C. 9.81 meter per second. D. 8.9 meter per second. And the right answer is 4. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? A. Velocity. B. Force. C. Mass. D. Acceleration. And the right answer is 5. What is the formula for kinetic energy? A. K equals m into v square. B. K equals half m into v square. C. K equals mgh. D. K equals fd. And the right answer is 6. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? A. 3 into 10 to the power of 6 meter per second. B. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. C. 3 into 10 to the power of 5 meter per second. D. 3 into 10 to the power of 7 meter per second. And the right answer is 7. In which type of wave do particles of the medium move parallel to the direction of wave propagation? A. Transverse wave. B. Longitudinal wave. C. Surface wave. D. Electromagnetic wave. And the right answer is 8. What is the principle behind the lever? A. Conservation of momentum. B. Mechanical advantage. C. Conservation of energy. D. Centripetal force. And the right answer is 9. Which phenomenon explains why we see a rainbow? A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Diffraction. D. Dispersion. And the right answer is 10. What is the main source of energy for stars, including our sun? A. Nuclear fission. B. Nuclear fusion. C. Chemical reactions. D. Gravitational collapse. And the right answer is 11. Which particle has a positive charge? A. Electron. B. Neutron. C. Proton. D. Photon. And the right answer is 12. What does Ohm's law state? A. V is equal to I into R. B. P is equal to I into V. C is equal to M into C square. D. F is equal to M into A. And the right answer is 13. Which type of lens converges light rays? A. Concave lens. B. Convex lens. C. Cylindrical lens. D. Flat lens. And the right answer is 14. What is the primary cause of tides on Earth? A. Wind. B. The moon's gravitational pull. C. The sun's gravitational pull. D. Earth's rotation. And the right answer is 15. Which law describes the relationship between pressure and volume in gases at constant temperature? A. Charles' law. B. Boyle's law. C. Avogadro's law. D. Gay-Lussac's law. And the right answer is 16. What is the C unit of power? A. Joule. B. Watt. C. Volt. D. Ampere. And the right answer is 17. Which type of energy is stored in an object due to its position? A. Kinetic energy. B. Thermal energy. C. Potential energy. D. Chemical energy. And the right answer is 18. What phenomenon causes a straw to appear bent when placed in a glass of water? A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Diffraction. D. Absorption. And the right answer is 19. What is the frequency of a wave if its period is 0.01 seconds? A. 100 Hz. B. 50 Hz. C. 10 Hz. D. 200 Hz. And the right answer is 20. Which gas law states that at constant volume, pressure and temperature are directly related? A. Boyle's law. B. Charles' law. C. Gay-Lussac's law. D. Ideal gas law. And the right answer is 21. In which medium does sound travel fastest? A. Air. B. Water. C. Steel. D. Vacuum. And the right answer is 22. What type of nuclear decay emits an alpha particle? A. Beta decay. B. Gamma decay. C. Alpha decay. D. Proton decay. And the right answer is 23. Which device converts electrical energy into mechanical energy? A. Transformer. B. Motor. C. Generator. D. Resistor. And the right answer is 24. What is the term for the bending of light around obstacles or through openings? A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Diffraction. D. Dispersion. And the right answer is 25. Which principle explains why airplanes can fly? A. Bernoulli's principle. B. Archimedes' principle. C. Pascal's principle. D. Newton's third law. And the right answer is 26. The center of mass of a system can be described as A. The average position of all mass in a system. B. The point where all forces act on an object. C. The point where gravitational forces cancel out. D. The point where kinetic and potential energies are equal. And the right answer is 27. In terms of electricity, what does AC stand for? A. Alternating current. B. Active current. C. Accumulated current. D. Ampere current. And the right answer is 28. Which type of radiation has the highest frequency? A. Radio waves. B. Microwaves. C. Infrared radiation. D. Gamma rays. And the right answer is 29. What is Hooke's law concerned with? A. Frictional forces. B. Elasticity. C. Thermal expansion. D. Fluid dynamics. And the right answer is 30. The Doppler effect refers to A. Change in frequency due to motion relative to an observer. B. Change in wavelength due to temperature. C. Change in amplitude due to distance. D. Change in speed due to medium. And the right answer is 31. What type of circuit has only one path for current flow? A. Parallel circuit. B. Series circuit. C. Complex circuit. D. Open circuit. And the right answer is 32. Which force acts perpendicular to the motion of an object moving in a circular path? A. Centripetal force. B. Frictional force. C. Gravitational force. D. Normal force. And the right answer is 33. The phenomenon where a material returns to its original shape after deformation is called A. Plasticity. B. Elasticity. C. Ductility. D. Brittleness. And the right answer is 34. In thermodynamics, what does the term adiabatic process refer to? A. A process with no heat transfer. B. A process at constant pressure. C. A process at constant volume. D. A process with heat absorption only. And the right answer is 35. The total mechanical energy in a closed system remains constant according to which principle? A. Conservation of momentum. B. Conservation of mass. C. Conservation of energy. D. Conservation of charge. And the right answer is 36. Which type of electromagnetic radiation has wavelengths longer than visible light but shorter than radio waves? A. Ultraviolet rays. B. Infrared rays. C. Microwaves. D. X-rays. And the right answer is 37. What happens to the pressure exerted by a gas if its volume decreases while temperature remains constant? Boyle's law. A. Pressure decreases. B. Pressure increases. C. Pressure remains constant. D. Pressure becomes zero. And the right answer is 38. Which physical quantity is defined as the rate at which work is done? or energy is transferred? A. Power. B. Energy. C. Force. D. Velocity. And the right answer is 39. When light passes from air into water, it bends towards the normal due to A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Diffraction. D. Dispersion. And the right answer is 40. In which scenario does an object experience zero net force? A. When it is at rest. B. When it moves with constant velocity. C. When it accelerates uniformly. D. Both A and B. And the right answer is 41. What kind of mirror always produces virtual images regardless of object position? A. Concave mirror. B. Convex mirror. C. Flat mirror. D. None of these. And the right answer is 42. The work done on an object is equal to A. Force times distance moved in the direction of force. B. Force times distance moved perpendicular to force. C. Mass times acceleration times distance moved. D. Energy divided by time taken. And the right answer is 43. The measure of how much matter is contained in an object is known as A. Weight. B. Mass. C. Volume. D. Density. And the right answer is 44. In physics, what does wave-particle duality refer to? A. Light behaves only as a wave or particle depending on conditions. B. All matter exhibits both wave-like and particle-like properties. C. Only electrons exhibit wave-particle duality. D. Only photons exhibit wave-particle duality. And the right answer is 45. An object moving in a circular path at constant speed experiences A. Zero acceleration. B. Centripetal acceleration towards the center. C. Tangential acceleration away from center. D. Constant velocity throughout motion. And the right answer is 46. The specific heat capacity measures A. Energy required to change temperature per unit mass per degree temperature change. B. Energy required for phase change per unit mass without temperature change. C. Energy lost during cooling per unit mass per degree temperature change. D. Energy gain during heating per unit mass per degree temperature change. And the right answer is 47. In which situation would you expect thermal conduction to occur most efficiently? A. Between two gases at different temperatures. B. Between two liquids at different temperatures. C. Between two solids at different temperatures with good contact between them. D. Between two insulators at different temperatures. And the right answer is 48. If an electric current passes through a conductor, it produces a magnetic field around it. B. Electric field around it. C. Thermal field around it. D. Mechanical field around it. And the right answer is 49. The phenomenon where electrons are ejected from a material when exposed to light is known as A. Photoelectric effect. B. Compton effect. C. Rayleigh scattering. D. Black body radiation. And the right answer is 50. In classical mechanics, what does inertia refer to? A resistance to change in motion. B. Force applied on an object. C. Acceleration produced by net force. D. Momentum possessed by an object. And the right answer is